What's going on, guys? How are you? How are you doing? So, I'm back today with this beginner friendly strategy that you can use as a beginner, that you can use as an experienced trader or any trader in general. So, this is the simplest strategy I have ever seen since I started Forex trading. Right. So, here is how it goes, right? You read the market, right? How do you do that? You use market structure, right? So this is how the market structure goes, right? This is the basic of market structures in the books, in every trading book, in every trading tutorial, right? So this is how it goes, right? So I want to simplify it for you so that you understand market structure. After understanding market structure, you will then have to understand this simple strategy. So it just banks on the market structure and you get it from there. So this is how it goes. If price is going up like this, right? You focus on the highs, right? Because if price is going up, the highs is to break, right? The highs have to go, right? So we have these highs that are going, right? We continue like that. This is an uptrend, and this is the same, but inversely for the what? For the downtrend. So since price is always breaking the highs, what you need to do is to just get an entry point to take the next high. So this is how it goes. Let me delete this so that we are on the same page. So this strategy, right, is beginner friendly, right? If you are a beginner, this is the strategy that you should be using, all right? You just mark the high like this, all right? So price is not random, right? Price is not random. Price does not just reverse at any price point. When price is reversing like this, it's a unique price point. It tells a story. So that story is what we want to decode, and that's what we want to take advantage of, right? So when price then retraces back to this one, to this particular price where this reversal would have happened, it means that at that particular price point, we might actually get a reversal to the other side again. So this is a simple break and retest strategy that every trader who is struggling right now can actually jump on it and actually make some money. So this is how you're going to do. We are going to use this break, right? And we are going to be waiting for price to get back to this particular to this particular zone. Then price goes, and we are going to use the next high as our benchmark. Because why? We are in an uptrend, and we're expecting price to keep breaking highs and keep making high highs. So how do you do that then? You wait for price to what? To retest 10, and this will work as your what? As your target. So enough being said, let's just go to the charts and try to see how price is actually moving. Before we go there, let me tell you about this software that I'm using to backtest my strategies. This is Forex Tester. If you want Forex Tester, my link is in the description down below. Just go in your link and get a 10% discount. This is a once-off payment. You just pay once and enjoy forever on Forex Tester. So this is what I'm doing. I'm just going to put the links in the description down below. You go and get your 10% discount and get this bad boy right here forever. So what you are just going to do is get your strategies, test them, and you're going to get real-time analytics of your strategy. You get the strengths, you get the weaknesses, and you make a good strategy out of that. So let's just go to the charts, and I'm going to show you how this actually works and how this strategy works. So this is an uptrend. As you can see, we have taken this high and we have taken this high again. So what we are going to do is very simple. We are just going to mark this particular one, this particular high, as you see in this video. And what we are going to be waiting for here is very simple. We're just going to be waiting for price to give us a very good candlestick reversal pattern at this particular zone. Then we can take that trade to where we want to go, which is the next high on that particular what? On this particular chart. And remember, I'm using GBP USD. I'm on the 1 hour time frame, and I'll show you the analytics of this particular strategy. Let's roll it and see how price actually moves. So I'm going to be using the bar forward here. You can play it, press start here and just let price roll. And I'm going to be using here, I'm going to be using the bar forward, and I'm going to be using it like this. So this is how price is going, right? This is how price is going. Okay, let me do this. I think I had chosen a brush here. Let me, all right. So price, let me delete the this and put a line there. Let me put a ray like this so we get, yeah, so this is the what? This is what we want here. So when price gets here, what are you waiting for? You are waiting for a reversal candlestick pattern. And this is how it goes. So this is a very good reversal candlestick pattern. You press buy here, and after pressing buy, you can actually literally place your what, your stop loss on this what, on this forex tester software. As you can see here, the links are in the description down below. Let's just go and see how it moves. So right now we're in profit, and we should be hitting our take profit like that. So this is a simple strategy, break and retest. Right now let's just move forward, and I'm going to be looking for another setup. And this is another setup. What am I going to do? I'm just going to put my line there, right? This is the high. As I said, the highs are not random in forex. Nothing is random in life generally. So you see, this is what I want to see here. I just press buy, right? I buy there. My stop loss, literally, I just put my stop loss just below here, and the take profit above the high, because remember, I want price to break the what, the highs, and this is how price is moving, right? And we hit our what, our stop loss, as you can see. So this strategy is not 100%, right? You are going to hit some stop losses, but what I'm saying, guys, is this strategy can literally pay your bills when it works, because remember, we are not looking to win 100% of our trades. We just want to be in the positive. So this is how it's moving. We hit our what, this is the what, the high that we are using right now. We hit the high, and let's see how it goes, right? So this was during the weekend, so it just gaps here, so we could not have taken this trade, right? So let's just move forward and see how price is going to move again, right? So we have price moving up, right? So we're looking for a very good setup, as you can see. So let's just see, right? This is a setup that we are going to be using. We have the high that was taken out, price retest. What are we going to do? We're going to buy again, and our stop loss is going to go below this low, as you can see, right below that low. Why? Because this is the structure. Stop loss always goes below the structure here, right? After that, our take profit goes above the what, above the high that we are going. So we want to see how price actually moves in this area. As you can see, price is dancing around, but now we are in profit, as you can see, and we take our what, our take profit. So this is how it moves, right? So this is the strategy that you can be using in anything that you do. And right now I'm going to head over to the analytics, and I will let the software tell us the strengths, the points to improve, and everything that we need to know on our strategy. So right now, first of all, it tells you the behavioral traits of you as a trader, as you trade, because this is a simulation of the live market. So here tells me that there's effective risk management, disciplined approach, effective stress management, poor strategic planning. I don't know what they mean. Inconsistent execution. I don't know. Right. Then we have the strength. So this is what this software is telling us about our strategy. So this is a plus if you're someone who wants to build or to strengthen your strategy. And these are some of the concerns that the software has pertaining our strategy. And here we took total of 3 trades, and it shows you, and it even gives you a win percentage right here. You took total trades, trading days, profit days, and you can build your strategy around this. So this is what I wanted to show you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you in the next one. Let's go right there and test our strategies. This is the break and retest that everyone should be using. My name is Shox, and I'm out. Bye bye for now.